Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure 301 redirects with Cloudflare for SEO, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure 301 redirects with Cloudflare for SEO, start by logging into your Cloudflare account. Once logged in, select the domain you want to work with. Navigate to the Rules section in the Cloudflare dashboard. Click on Page Rules to create a new redirect. Select the option to create a new page rule. In the field that appears, enter the old URL path you wish to redirect from. Use an asterisk if you want to redirect multiple pages. Next, select Forwarding URL from the drop-down menu. Choose 301 Permanent Redirect as the redirect type. In the Enter Destination URL field, input the new URL you wish to redirect visitors to. Ensure that the destination URL is correct and complete. Scroll down and click Save and Deploy to activate the redirect. Test the redirect in a separate browser window. Enter the old URL to confirm it automatically forwards to the new URL. Check your site's performance and SEO metrics. Monitor any traffic changes in your analytics tools. Consider updating any internal links to point directly to the new URL. For any additional redirects, repeat the process as needed. Stay aware of how 301 redirects can impact your SEO over time. Review your redirects periodically to ensure they remain relevant and functional. Make adjustments if your site structure or URL patterns change in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.